горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра разбитая.
I'm guessing you've been more decided as the only person who could ever kill Thomas Shelby. It's Thomas Shelby himself.